Hello, my name is Cross the Swirl, and I'd like to say that I am trying to get this channel up and running into something new. Instead of me doing once in a while speed paints, I will actually be doing rant videos. And I will definitely call them rant videos, and I will definitely be proud of calling them rant videos because I do rant a lot, actually. And I think that it would be healthier for my mindset to just kind of put my thoughts out there. And if someone doesn't like them, well, you know, it's the world. You can't please everybody. But I'm mostly going to do art-related rants. My first video might be about bases, to be honest, only because it's easier, and I already have my thought process and script down. The reason why I'm going to be writing a script, though, is because I'm not very good at speaking from my brain, because I'm just going to swear and say stuff over and over. But I will be also doing other videos, like cleaning up your sketches. You can send me a sketch, and I will try to fix up the anatomy or do what you're trying to do but can't figure out how to do it, and I'll make an entire video of that explaining what I'm doing and how to do it. I'll also be doing character critiques? There you go, character critiques. So send me your characters and I'll tell you, hey, if they're good or not. I will not be judging off of art style because not everyone draws perfectly. I will not judge off of that. I think everyone's art style is, you know, an art style. It's their own thing. I can't judge their own thing. I will judge them on backstory though and overall design. Shoes or, you know, creature, whatever it is. And you know, this channel might actually go somewhere, it might not. We'll see what happens. But so far I've gotten these emotes all drawn out, so I'm hoping this goes somewhere because I spent way too much time drawing every single little emotion out. But hey, if you guys like it, then hey, perfect, wonderful. My name is Cross the Swirl, and I'll see you, hopefully, in another video. I do not know what I'm doing.